Hello, my name is Lina Vaitkute, and today I would like to present my digital professional practice project. For my project, I worked with Blair Donald Building Services, a construction company based in Hamilton. During the last 8 weeks, I focused on improving their digital presence, increasing customer trust, and helping the business become more visible online. First, I would like to give a quick overview of the project. Instead of improving only one platform, I wanted to connect everything together. That includes redesign the website in WordPress, improving SEO, creating a LinkedIn business page, working on Google reviews, creating TikTok content, and monitoring performance. The main goal was to build single, connected digital presence rather than lots of separate platforms. By connecting those digital channels, I wanted to create smoother customer journey and make it easy for potential customers to find the business, trust it, and get in touch. Before starting the project, I reviewed the company's current digital presence. Blair Donald's already had strong local reputation and had been in the construction industry for many years. However, I identified several areas that could be improved. The website looked dated, there wasn't a LinkedIn business page, and as the business had Google reviews, they weren't displayed on the website. TikTok was attracting many views, but those views weren't resulting in inquiries or visits to the website. So overall, there was good foundation, but plenty of opportunity for digital improvement. This gave me a clear starting point and helped identify where digital marketing could add the most value. After analyzing everything, I identified another gap between visibility and conversion. This business already had visibility with an existing social media audience. At the same time, there wasn't enough trust to encourage potential customers to take the next step. The digital presence also wasn't fully connected, so people could discover the business but weren't guided through the clear journey from trust to inquiry and finally to conversion. Closing that gap became the focus of my project. Before making any changes, I carried out some research. I looked at local competitors, their website and social media. I identified competitor strengths such as modern and professional website, strong Google review profiles, customer testimonials and case studies, active social media presence. I also find some weaknesses too: inconsistent social media activity, limited video content, poor website navigation, reviews below 5 stars. And also completed keyword research using Google Trends. I wanted to understand what customers were actually searching for and where Blair Donald's appears in Google search results. The research showed that the business was already performing well for some search terms, but there were also opportunities to improve rankings, especially for more local keywords. Those findings helped shape the strategy for the rest of the project. This slide shows how I applied the Dark Plus framework within my project. Rather than using every technology, I focus on AI and data analytics because they were the most relevant to the business. I use them to support research, analyze performance, and guide my decisions throughout the project. Those insights helped me connect the website, SEO, LinkedIn business page, and Google reviews into the one digital strategy. This allowed me to make informed, data-driven decisions and supported the digital improvements I implemented. Once I completed my research, I developed a digital transformation strategy based on 5 key pillars. Instead of treating each platform separately, I connected them into one digital strategy. The website became the center, supported by SEO, LinkedIn, social media content, and Google reviews. Each element have different role, but together they create a stronger customer journey from finding the business online to building trust and encourage potential customers to make an inquiry. This connected approach was the foundation for the improvements I made throughout the project. My project followed 5 main stages, starting with research and planning before moving into implementation and evaluation. I had an original project plan, but I made few changes along the way. For example, I decided to prioritize create LinkedIn page early because it gives the business a quick opportunity to build professional business-to-business presence. Google Ads were moved towards to the end of the project, and I spent more time creating construction site videos because analytics show that this type of content generates the strongest engagement. This project developed using feedback and performance data, rather than simply follow the original plan. This is one of the biggest changes I made during this project. On the left, you can see the website before, and on the right is updated version. I modernized the design, improved the homepage, added Google reviews, connected LinkedIn and TikTok, and included more SEO-friendly content. The aim wasn't only to make the website look better, but also to improve the user experience, increase trust, and encourage more visitors to contact the business. SEO was an important part of this project. I researched both short-tail and long-tail keywords using Google Trends and focused on terms that local customers were searching for. I then naturally include those keywords throughout the website. I also monitored Google rankings to measure whether the changes were having an impact. Some keywords improved during the project, showing that the website became more visible in local search results. We can see one ranking dropped slightly. This also underscored that SEO is an ongoing process and should be monitored and improved over the time. Before this project, Blair Donald's, as I already mentioned earlier, didn't have LinkedIn business page. So I created this page from scratch, designed profile, and started posting regularly. Most of the content focused on real construction projects, behind-the-scenes updates, and progress on site. I choose LinkedIn because it helps build professional credibility and gives the business another way to reach homeowners, commercial clients, and industry professionals. By the end of the project, the business had established a professional business-to-business presence that didn't exist before. I also reviewed the company's TikTok performance. The account already had good reach. It wasn't generating many inquiries. So I focused on creating original content from real construction site, showing project progress and people behind the business. I also improved posting consistency and include stronger call to action. The goal wasn't simply to increase views, but to create authentic content that builds trust and encourage people to visit the website or contact the business. And we can see on the bottom right side, conversion 12 website clicks. Customers' reviews are very important, especially in the construction industry, where trust plays a major role in customer decisions. The business started with 16 Google reviews. I responded to existing reviews and displayed them directly into the website, making them much more visible to potential customers. Like most projects, there were a few challenges. One challenge was learning WordPress because I have mostly used Wix before. Another challenge was waiting for platform success and verification from the business owner who was often working on construction site. Weather and project progress also affected when I could visit site to create content. Instead of stopping, I adapted my schedule and continued working on research, content planning, and other tasks. Those challenges helped improve my problem-solving skills and showing the importance of being flexible throughout real business projects. This is summary the main outcome of the project. The business now has modern website, a professional LinkedIn presence, stronger customer trust through Google reviews, and improved local SEO. Some Google rankings improved, and the digital presence is now much more connected than it was in the beginning. Those results show that project wasn't just about improving the appearance of the website. It's created measurable improvements that support the business future growth and improve a stronger foundation for attracting new customers. The project has finished. The work doesn't stop here. I recommend it continue to post regularly on LinkedIn and social media, asking customers for Google reviews after every completed project, and monitoring website and SEO performance each month. Continuing to share real construction projects will also help the business stay authentic and stand out from competitors. Those recommendations will help ensure the improvement made during this project continue to deliver long-term value. Finally, this project has helped me develop both personally and professionally. It gave me the opportunity to apply the knowledge I gained during the master's degree in the real business environment. Throughout the project, I developed my skills in WordPress, SEO, Google Analytics, content creation, Google Ads, and digital strategy. Working with construction company was completely new to me, so it pushed me outside my comfort zone and helped me become more confident and adapting digital marketing to different industry. Overall, I believe this project has delivered real value to Blair Donald's by creating a stronger digital presence, improving customer trust, and building the solid foundation for future digital growth. For me, it has shown how digital marketing theory can be successfully applied in practice to solve real business challenges and deliver measurable results. Thank you so much for listening.